Hi, it's Maddie again. Today, I'm going to make Jajangmeon. It's one of my favorite Korean dish every time I go to Korean restaurant. I'll show you how to make it. Start preparing these following ingredients. Alright, so you will need this black bean paste for our Jajangmeon recipe. Start heating your pan and add half cup of vegetable oil. You need to fry the black bean paste to remove that bitter, earthy flavor. I'm having the moderate heat to fry this black bean paste and wait until you can see those bubbles. I place the excess oil to a container and then I use some of the oil to saute the leeks. You will then add your onion for sauteing and then wait until it's translucent. I'm using the pig's ear for this one. Unfortunately, I don't have any lean pork, so if you do have one, what you can do is fry it until it's crispy, then add the onion and the leeks. You will then add thinly chopped potatoes, then let it simmer for about 5 minutes. You can then add your zucchini. I cut it into pieces, not too small and not too big. Saute it for a bit, then add some cabbage. You may then add the 2 to 3 tablespoons of your black bean paste, the one you fried a while ago, and then give it a nice stir. I covered my pan for about 10 minutes and then it looks like this. I'm using these Chinese frozen noodles. I boiled it for about 5 minutes or so until it looked tender and cooked. I seasoned my sauce with salt and pepper and 4 tablespoons of sugar. I actually don't use MSG for cooking, but if you prefer to put some, feel free to do so to make it tastier. Noodles is ready, it's time to plate. Putting the sauce makes me really crave for it, so do whatever you want. Put it full on top or just half because later I'm going to garnish it with some cucumber. There you have it, your black noodle or jajangmeon. Thanks for watching, hope you liked the video. If you have other ways to cook it, feel free to put on the comment box below and subscribe on my channel. Ciao!